Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see best digital marketing tutorial courses. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. So in today's world, everyone wants to be digital marketing expert. Everyone wants to grow their business through digital marketing. Everyone wants to rank their pages over Google. So in today's video, I will suggest you top 5 digital marketing courses. You can go through it. You can learn beginner, intermediate, and advanced digital marketing over there, and you can apply or that digital marketing on your website or app. So the first course that I would suggest is digital marketing specialization. The course provider is Coursera. Almost 1,78,804 users have already enrolled in this course. It is 100% online course. It will take around 8 months to complete. The course is a beginner level and the language is in English. If you are just starting digital marketing and you don't know anything, then this course is best for you. It will give you knowledge of beginner, intermediate, and advanced, and it will take a little bit more time, around 8 months to complete, but I will suggest this is the best course, and the cost of this course is quite high, but you can apply financial aid available, and you can request Coursera that to give the course for free. So yeah, this course is in number one in our list. The second course that I would recommend is Become a Digital Marketer. The course provider is Udacity. Almost 3 month course, around 10 hours per week. The cost of the course is bit high, around 58,000, but the value that you give, the knowledge that Udacity will provide you is infinite level. So I will suggest you to go and buy this course. It is a wonderful course, and don't miss an opportunity. If you have enough amount of money, then just go and buy this course. The third course that I would recommend is that the complete digital marketing course, 12 courses in one. The course provider is Udemy. Almost 5,55,002 students have already enrolled in. The last update is in March only. The language is English. 23.5 hours on demand videos, 37 articles, 10 downloadable resources, full lifetime access. You can access on mobile and TV, and you will get certification on completion. In 455 rupees, you are getting a certification, and also you are giving a master class knowledge of Udemy's course. So I would recommend to go and buy this course. You will get knowledge of digital marketing strategies, social media marketing, SEO, YouTube, email, Facebook marketing, analytics, and more. The fourth course that I would suggest is digital marketing certification training. It is a kind of training provided by Edureka. The cost of the training is quite high, but you can see the average salary of digital marketing is 8 to 30 lakhs. In front of that, it is nothing. Edureka provide 5 weeks of training, in which Saturday, Sunday, and you get 3 hours of training each day. So this is a world-class core. If you want certification, Edureka provide that also. They are providing live classes. You can ask doubt in front. You will get knowledge of keyword planning, SEO, search engine marketing, email marketing, affiliated marketing, social media marketing, and Google Analytics. All these in a single course. So just I would recommend to go and buy this course. This is also a wonderful course provided by Edureka. The fifth course is a quite of bonus course because it is provided by BitDegree Complete Digital Marketing course. The number of users that have enrolled is 12,390. This is a beginner level course. You will get 22 lessons. Certification is available. 55 minutes of video. $5 only. If you apply LFC 30, you will get 30% off on this course. Through this course, you will learn to become a internet marketing expert. You will learn how to use internet marketing to build your business. You learn how to earn money through a great marketing. So this is a great course. You should enroll in this course. So these are the five courses that I would suggest and I would recommend to go and buy and pick any one of the course and just enroll in this course, and you will get a world-class knowledge about digital marketing, social media marketing, about mobile apps, search engine, websites, and all of this. If you want to read our article, I will put the link in the description box below. You will get a knowledge. You will get more amount of knowledge which course you want to choose. We have provided the filter also. You can apply filter according to you only, you according to you also. And uh, and this five course I will put the link in the description box below. You can click on that link, you will be redirected to the course page where you can get the information regarding the course. You can check all five courses and select the best course for you. If you haven't liked this video, please like this video, comment your thoughts. If you haven't shared this video, please share this video with your friends, with your digital marketing friends, with your college friends, with your school friends, and people who want to learn digital marketing. We'll see you in next video.